Hello everyone. In this session, I would like to discuss about the data visualization in Python. Generally, why we go for this data visualization means, for example, instead of giving the raw data and analyzing the data, if you give the data representation in the image format or a graphical representation or a chart or a map, that is like easy understandable way or not. Anyone can easily understand or not. Okay, it's always saves your time. The next one is like our data analyzation also very easy or not. Okay, we can get where exactly it's like, okay, increasing the values or decreasing the values, everything we can find it in less time. For that purpose, you can go with the data visualization. So in Python there has multiple modules are there to working with data visualization. One of the module called as a matplotlib. Matplotlib. Another one is like Seaborn is there. As part of this session, I would like to discuss about this Matplotlib. So before working with this Matplotlib library for data visualization, first install this library in your command prompt. Just run this command in your command prompt. py-m pip install matplotlib. Before run this command, your in your machine Python should be installed. In your machine Python should be installed. Okay, once you complete this installation, okay, let's start our programming. Just I want to create some line charts, bar charts, pie charts, scatter plot, like that. Okay, let me create one Python file first. Okay, just you can write like a line chart dot py. First, if you want to create a line chart, import your matplot library first. Matplotlib first. So how we can import? Import matplotlib. Inside this pyplot, one module is there. I don't want to use every time this name, so that I can give some alias name as plot plt, like that. You can import it. Now you can take some information. I want to show, you can take some data. I want to show the data in the graphical representation. I want to show the data in the graphical representation. Think there has two states over there. That's two states. Population changes I want to calculate. I want to display for every 10 years. So first of all, get the years first. My years are like 1980, 90, 2000, 2010, 2020 years. The population of my country, India, in 1990, for example, there has 80 crores. Okay, in 2000, it's decreased to 75. In 2010, nothing like that. It's not exact figures or something. Okay, 110 crores. In 2020, 105 crores, like this. This is my data, my population for each and every year. The same like this, you can take one more country. Okay, population years, for example. Okay, it's like 30, 35, 40, okay, 50, 40, like this. For this data, I want to create like a data visualization for this particular data by using line chart. So that first of all, use this plot, PLT, right? Okay. My plot represents what? Matplot library, pyplot or not? Plot dot plot is the method. Okay, I want to plot the data for this year. Which country? India country. The next one, I want to plot the data for the same year, US also, done. Now, if it is like a graph on x-axis, what you want me to show, y-axis, what you want me to show, just you can keep that one. Labels. X label years. And my Y label, Y label, Y label, you can say like a population. Like a population. Once it is done, right, you can show that. You can show the graph. That's it. Now, can we run it? Okay, how we can run it? Py line chart dot py. If you have any errors, you can fix it. Otherwise, it should show a graph. Okay, it gives me some error. Pop int is not there. Where is this int? This one, right? int not int. Now run it again. Now it's taking some time because it has to print, right? Okay, name plot. Plot is not defined. Plot is not defined. Where is that? Okay, this one. PLT. PLT. Okay, that is the alias name or not? Yeah, say this. The representation. Graphical representation. Now this is 1990. Okay, this is my US, and this is like what? India or not? It's like India line or not? Okay, first it's, if you observe here, 80, from 80 it's down like 75, 110, and it's decreased like 105 or not. Okay, like this you can represent the line chart. Now, can we go with another one? Bar chart. When you go with the bar chart, my bar chart tells the sizes of the data using different bar heights. Okay, based on the heights, you can tell the size of the data. Size of the data. Okay, write one more problem. Just you can say like bar chart dot py. Okay, what we have to do? First, you have to import your library. Import matplot. From this, you have to take pyplot and give some alias name like plot. The next one, you can say like students count and years. In the year 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019. Okay, this is my institute, this is my school. Okay, in 2015, my STD, students list, is like that student count, you can say, not list. Student count is like, okay, 200. 2016 is like 189. 2017 is like 250. 2018 is nothing but 50, for example. 2019 is like 300. It is my student count. Okay, the size of the data you can mention based on the heights. Based on the heights, you have to show it. Okay, now you can plot the bar data. Plot dot bar is the method for my bar data. For line data, plot is the method. Bar, my years you have to put, and student count you have to put it. Now plt X label. In the X label, I want to place like years, and my Y label I want to place, okay, students. That's it. Finally, you can show your graph. Finally, you can show your graph. Now, can we run this line chart? Sorry, I'm running line chart. You can run bar chart. Okay, it gives me some error. Matplot library pyplot has no attribute label. Okay, it's a Y label. It's not a label. Okay. Yes. So this the graphical representation. 2015 200. Okay, and then 189, and then 250 and 50 and 300. This is my graphical representation for this particular data or not. The next one, pie chart. You get pie chart. Pie chart dot figure. When you go for pie chart, this is like a circular plot that has been divided into just pieces, divided into pieces. For example, it's like a circle, 100% you can say 30% people passed, 70% people not passed. Okay, like this, just you can give the partitions for each and every data representation, for each and every database. Okay, so you can write import matplotlib from pyplot. Okay, you can put the alias name like plot. Yeah. The next one is like, here you can represent some students. Okay, some students you can say, and their marks you can say, and their marks you can say. Okay, students equals to, just you can write like student yes1, the next one is like yes2, the next one is like yes3. Okay, their marks I can say like, okay, out of 100 for example. Okay, that marks you can say, okay, 70, 88, 77, 99, 77. This is my marks. Now you can plot that one, plot dot pie chart. I want to plot it for what? For my student marks, I want to plot it. Okay, I want to show the labels like yes1 how many, okay, yes2 how many, like this, so that you can say one keyword argument you can pass like labels is my keyword arguments. What you want me to pass here? I want to pass like a students. Once it is done, you can plot, you can show your graph, you can show it. Okay, I run bar chart. I don't want bar chart, pie chart I want to run. Yes, see this. This is the S1 port, S2 port, S3 port. Okay, S1 is like 88. This is like 88. S3 is like 77. Okay, if you want to check, okay, for example, 288, then the time you can find the difference. Now let me run again. Now see this. The S1 comparing with S2 and S3, it occupies more space or not? Okay, S1 is like 288 ports. Okay, this one is like 99 ports, and this one is like 77 ports or not overall. This is the way we can draw the pie chart. So this is like a circular plot that has been divided into slices, displaying the numerical portions. The next one is like scatter plot. This is also one type of graph to find the comparison. Okay, usually we are using this scatter plot for comparing two variables. Okay, one variable is like change, one variable value is like change, that is impact on another variable. The relation I want to find it, for the purpose we are using like a scatter plot. So can I write like a scatter dot view? Just write it. As usual, import matplotlib. From here I want to get the module name is like a pyplot. I want to give like alias name like plot. Yeah. Take two variables, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma, like this you can take 4 comma 5 comma, okay, 6. Take another one, another variable. Here you can give like 8, okay, 99, 22, okay, 33. I want to find the relation between this variable and this variable, 1, 2, 8, like that. Okay, then you can go with scatter. So you can plot that. Plot dot here scatter is the method. Okay, you can get like x comma y. In my x label, I want x values. In my y label, I want this y values. Finally, you can show that my plot dot show. You can show that one. So let me close the previous pie chart. Now you can run it. My scatter plot.py. Okay, it gives me some error. X and Y must be the same size. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 values are there here, 3, 5 values are there. Okay. Now, come on. Now say this. Say this. This is the relation, right? Okay, 1 now, it's like 5. Okay, it tells the relation between two variables, 1 and 5. The next one is like 2, 8. 2, 8 is this one. The next one is like 399. If you observe here, 399 tells some relation between two variables with one single point or not. The next one is like 422 is this one. The next one is like 533. If any value is got changed, then the time it tells something the relation, right? If the value got changed from here to here, then the time you can find easily, yeah, one variable value change that is affected on another variable, how much, like this you can find it. Find the relation between two variables by using scat. Okay, this is the library we are using for what? For data visualization in Python. Not only matplot library, we have the Seaborn, that is the advanced one. That is also so many people are using for data visualization in Python. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.